Hi guys, day one of online honors advanced biology. And I'm not sure exactly, honestly, how everything's going to unfold over the next few weeks for our class in particular, but we'll take it a day at a time and trust that God will um, guide me into instruction that will be beneficial to you as you get ready to graduate and enter your first year of college next year. And just let me say that I do feel for you. Um, I'm sorry for the disruption that this has brought to your senior year and for the way that it's changed things up for you. A time that was supposed to be very fun and just with the experiences of lots of different lasts that you share with your class and your teachers. And I know it's just all mixed up right now. Just please know that I'm praying for you and that you will have God's peace as we all kind of navigate through this together. I hope you're healthy and well. My family's well. And just know that I'm sorry that we can't be together. I hate it that our field trips have been canceled. Maybe everything will be back to normal by May and we'll squeeze them in. We'll just do what we can. Okay, let's see. So what we're going to do, I guess you know that I'm supposed to have like a 10-minute video ready for you each day, and then like maybe 15 or 20 minutes more honors biology stuff for you to do each day on top of that. And I think for a little while, it's reasonable to think that you're going to be spending a lot of that time when you're not watching the videos, reading Darwin and answering your questions and things like that. So I will probably try to, not today, but starting next week, still have a little 10-minute lecture each day on modern evolutionary theory, like we were going through it from our book, so that you have that perspective before you leave. But as far as like any assignments go, they'll all be right now probably just related to you getting through Darwin. And I hope that next Friday, April 2nd, we'll be able to have a Zoom meeting where we can have a discussion on the chapters that we haven't discussed yet. So chapter 7 was really due on the 23rd, which like Monday. Yes, that was the 20th. I'm looking at my calendar. That was the 23rd. And some of you turned that in and some of you didn't. Chapter 8 is supposed to be due tomorrow. And some of you may have that ready, some of you may not. I don't know. I know because we actually extended spring break. You might have thought that we extended those due dates, and I didn't communicate with you otherwise. So I'm totally fine if you don't have those in or haven't already turned those in. But here's what I would like to do. By next Friday, April 2nd, I would like to have chapters 7, 8, 9, and 10 done. And I'm going to post the questions for chapters 9 and 10 to your LMS dashboard here. So you'll have access to them. And then, like I was saying, on next Friday, I hope that we can have a graded discussion on those 4 chapters. So hang in there. Just chapter 7, I think, marks the fact that you're halfway through the book. So some of you are halfway through. Just please do me a favor when you turn in your questions. It's fine with me if you just email them to me. You could also post them to the LMS site. It doesn't matter to me. Either one's okay, because I only have 3 of you and you're used to emailing me. Whatever is okay. But whenever you turn them in, please also tell me whether or not you've read the whole chapter. And if you haven't read the whole chapter, would you please just tell me how many pages you have read so that I can grade you accordingly. All I can really think of today, like I said, by next week I'll I think I'll be ready to have a little lecture each day to help carry us through the modern evolutionary theory. And once you finish Darwin, I will teach you some other things about how to read a scientific paper and a few other things. So as always, you can contact me if you have any questions. You can email me, or you can use the little chat function on the LMS dashboard. Either one's great. And I think you've probably seen the email that says I'm supposed to keep office hours from 9 to 3 or 9 to 3:30. I can't remember which one, but either way, I'll get back with you. I did put your graded papers in your lockers on Tuesday, I think it was. So I don't have them anymore, but they are there if you want to run by the school and get them. I can't think of anything else. All right, well, I hope this whole experience goes well for y'all, and I will definitely miss seeing you, but I will be back in contact with you Monday. Have a good weekend. Bye-bye.